Reebok Angel Reese One Charm City blends symbolism, performance, and community pride into one release. Inspired by the Baltimore Ravens, the sneaker highlights Reese's hometown roots with a striking purple base, black details, and white accents. Reese chose the Charm City name to honor Baltimore's resilience, grit, and the authenticity that shaped her journey. Beyond its storytelling, the shoe is engineered for performance with Reebok's Energy Return System cushioning, a molded TPU upper for toughness, heel stability support, and multidirectional grip for dependable traction. Designed for both on-court play and lifestyle appeal, it represents Reese's growing influence in the sneaker culture. Set at $120, the sneaker will drop in October 2025 through Reebok.com and select retailers, offering fans a product that combines heritage, functionality, and style while celebrating the city that raised her.